Email marketing. A customer's inbox is the most powerful touchpoint in 2023. But how do you stand out? As a product-based business, collecting customer data is part and parcel of your marketing journey. Use this data to drive value in your customer's inbox and in turn drive sales. Hey everyone, I'm Nupur and welcome to the Studio N channel, where we cover everything around branding, strategy, marketing, and creative communication in easy-to-get videos. If you're a business who wants to perfect any of these aspects to grow your brand, or a marketer looking to scale your knowledge, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm here with the last part of the 4-part series, 2023 Brand Awareness Unwrapped. These quick, information-dense videos are specifically designed for growing product-based businesses and marketers on the move. So if you'd like to check out the other 3 videos in the series, I've linked the playlist up here. You can also find the link to the playlist at the end of the video and in the description box below. Here are a few things to keep in mind with your email marketing. The first of them is a killer subject line. This is your first impression. If the subject line of your emailer or newsletter doesn't have a creative and enticing hook, chances are that the user is not going to open it. A great little tip: personalize that subject line wherever possible, like including the user's name. Second, it's important to create an emailer strategy that aligns with your marketing calendar. The approach should be a strategic balance of emailer frequency. After all, the aim is to ensure you're visible but not intrusive. Marketing objectives: prioritize fixed sale campaigns and account for variable sales opportunities. Value addition: stand apart by ensuring your newsletter has a conversation with your consumer. Incorporate niche-related tips, memes, and more. Imagine your emailer as a value-packed read. Find fluent moment opportunities for your newsletter to own that might already be a part of your marketing calendar. These are occasions and days that align well with pop culture, the interest of your target demographic, and your brand in perfect harmony. They're actually a great way to pull in your audience and drive conversion. Another key aspect of a good email strategy includes fixed emailers that go out when a customer takes an action like a purchase or registration. These can be welcome or thank you emailers and are a great place to host some goodies. The third point to keep in mind are your call to actions. Identify the objective of your emailer and distribute call to actions accordingly. Every emailer should have a clear objective and contribute to your marketing goals. Create a visual and tonality experience. Creating a visually stunning and easy to consume emailer that aligns with your brand strategy is the fastest way to generate brand recall and have your consumer hooked, ensuring a repeat open. Lastly, clean up your mailing list. Track email IDs that don't exist or customers who've not engaged with you for a significant amount of time and remove them from your mailing list to lower bounce rates and increase open rates. Following this broad level approach is a great way to maximize a powerful awareness touchpoint like email marketing. I actually use this exact approach to help increase the open rate of a large retail-based business from 0.2% to over 20% in less than 30 days with a consistent rise. With this, we come to the end of the 2023 Brand Awareness Unwrapped series. Over the course of the series, we cover topics around what brand awareness is, how a brand foundation and communication strategy can help you, different ways you can maximize collaborations and partnerships, how to optimize discoverability for your business, and harnessing the power of email marketing. With that being said, if you're a small or growing business or a marketer working with a business of this size, I've created something for you. I know that getting a team together at an early stage to craft an entire comprehensive brand launch strategy might not be feasible. I also believe that as a budding business, it shouldn't hold you back, which is why I've designed the Basic Brand Foundation Workbook that's free for you to download. The workbook includes an overview on the ways a brand foundation can help you, 3 quick, easy, and fun exercises to help you crack that basic brand foundation, and points on what your next step should be in your business's journey. You can find the link to the free workbook in the description box below. If you enjoyed watching this video or the series, do drop a like below to let me know. And if you'd like me to further detail and explain any of these points in a separate video or create a part 2 to the series, drop me a comment. Lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get an update for the next value-packed studio and upload. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.